You need to know how to balance chemical equations for your chemistry paper 1, so let's go through it. I'm going to do 3 progressively harder ones. Now the way that I start this is I split this equation up into the left hand side and the right hand side, and I write down how many of each atoms I have, so nitrogen and hydrogen on both sides, and how many of each do I have? Well, 2 on the left for nitrogen, 2 on the left for hydrogen, only 1 nitrogen, and 3 hydrogens on the right hand side, and then I need to start balancing them. So there's a difference here between the nitrogens on either side, so I need to double this 1 in order to have 2, so I'm going to do just that. I put a big 2 in front of the ammonia, and that doubles that nitrogen number onto 2, but it also doubles the hydrogen number to 6. So now I've got 6 hydrogens on the right. Now these nitrogens are correct for now, but these hydrogens are not. So what do I need to do to the number of hydrogens on the left? Well, I need to triple the number of hydrogens. So I'm going to put a big 3 in front of this hydrogen, and that makes it 3 times 2 lots of hydrogen, which is 6 hydrogens. And now these are also correct, and that's my balanced equation. Let's try another one. I've set this up in exactly the same way, putting down the number of each atom on either side, and I can see straight away that the number of aluminiums is unbalanced, so I need to double the number of aluminiums on the left. I've done that. And for the oxygen, it's 2 and 3, so I find the lowest common multiple of that, which is 6, so I want to aim to have both of them be 6, so I can triple the oxygens on the left to make that 6, and I can double the oxygens on the right to make that 6 as well. But that changes the number of aluminiums on the right to 4. So I also need to change the number of aluminiums on the left to 4, which I've done. And now everything's balanced. Let's try one more. Set it up exactly the same way. Carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen are the atoms on the left and the right. I can see that there are 3 carbons on the left. There are 6 hydrogens on the left, and there are 2 oxygens on the left. On the right, I've got 1 carbon. I've got 2 hydrogens right here, and I've got 2 oxygens because there's 1 there and there's 1 there. Now starting with the carbons, I can see that I need to triple the number of carbons on the right, so I'm going to put a big 3 in front of the CO. That triples that and makes those carbons correct now. Hydrogen, I need to triple this 2 so that it becomes 6, and that's also correct now. And for the oxygens, well, putting that 3 in front of that H2O has changed the number of oxygens on the right to 6 now, 3 over here and 3 over here. So I need to triple the number of oxygens on the left because there's only 2 to make that 6. So I'm going to put a big 3 in front of the O2, and that's balanced.